Oh, do I have a surprise for you, my friend? Oh yeah, what is this? Like a Matryoshka box or stuff? Open it. Yeah, man, all right. Yeah. Boom. Huh? Aha! There's nothing here, man. Oh crap! I forgot to put it in. Ah, I see it. There it is. Give me that. Alright people, this one should be fun. In here we have the smallest case ever to pass through our hands. Let's check it out. Alright, the contents are all here. Let's build right after this. Finally, an ultra slim body keyboard with mechanical red or blue switches, designed and perfected for work and play. The Tesoro Gram XS evolved to fit right in. Check it out below. Ha! Damn right, it's damn delicious. Nice touch. Instructions. Wow, look at this motherboard tray. Bet you've never seen anything like it. It's kind of like a coaster too. Nice. So this is our 1200 watt power supply. Look at the beautiful detail. You can see right through, so the airflow will come through. It's also fully modular, so that's appreciated. Nicely done. Here's our cooler. Look at that beautiful fan blades. Nice large heatsink. Yes. Obviously can't have your system without your storage. We got 5 hard drives. These are 12 terabytes each. Plenty of storage for a nice little server inside this case. And then we have our motherboard. It's nice that the motherboard standoffs are already pre-installed, so I can just insert the cooler on top. We have no graphics card. Oh, maybe this is the graphics card. No. This is a CPU only type of system. I'm okay with that. Bonus points for anyone who can recognize what motherboard this is based on the I/O. Come on, only 2 RAM slots? Must be old. You know, it would not be a 2018 release without a tempered glass panel. Nice touch, Cooler Master. Nice touch. Alright, so this is the entire component breakdown. Let's build this beautiful enclosure. So the tiny case is built, it's beautiful, the experience was flawless, lovely how all the components already arrived. However, I am still missing a graphics card, but it is also missing one flare element. Much better. Alright people, so that is how you build a wooden prop case, but in all seriousness, if you guys are actually interested in compact systems, wait until I get to these guys. So these are Cooler Master's new Q300 lineup. Not exactly sure what's happening here, but this is the Q300P and then Q300L. I think they're both micro ATX cases and you can like rotate them, but look at this filter design. This is a dust filter and look at that. It's quite unique in terms of how the front looks, and I absolutely love the little handles on this one. So yeah, stay subscribed for the full reviews and my experience to come very soon. Alright people, so I hope you enjoyed this piece of content. I definitely enjoyed making it. It's quite unique, shooting something so little but so familiar at the same time. So definitely leave a like if you've never seen a wooden assembly case before. Make sure to subscribe and check out this other relevant content, and we'll see you in the next one.